It stopped, then moved again with a little hop. Mama said, "Look, my dear, this train's like dreams that ride so clear." The train came choo choo choo, with it came the thump thump too. The whistle blew and path made wide, all aboard the dream-filled ride.
If you had fun, then quickly subscribe to Zoo Zoom Rhymes TV.